Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Open Google Maps now. Once done, tap your profile icon and choose your data in Maps so you access activity controls. This step puts you straight into the settings that store searches and places. You need it because Maps keeps history by account, not device. Make sure you're on the correct account. Switching accounts here prevents accidental deletion of someone else's data. Now select Maps Activity to see the actual search log. You'll now manage entries. Use the search or date filter to isolate items. This saves time when you have months of history. Tap the three-dot menu next to any entry and choose Delete to remove individual searches. This is ideal when one result is sensitive. For many items, pick Delete, then Advanced, or a date range to bulk remove multiple entries at once. Take a moment to confirm each selection because deletions are immediate for those entries. Finish by selecting Delete Activity By to remove everything or a custom range. Choose All Time if you want a clean slate. Then set Auto Delete to your preferred retention period, such as 3 months, so future searches expire automatically. Confirm the deletion and wait a few seconds for Maps to update across devices. If deletions don't take effect, sign out and back in, clear app cache or browser cache, and retry. That resolves most sync or display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.